Okay, as I drive out of here, let's just see what's moving. And that's the way it works. They have the shit planned out, man. They have cars waiting around and all kinds of shit. Cars waiting everywhere in case, and they literally do this. They have cars waiting down. Okay, so the first car that's moving is a gray car, right? See this right here? And like I said, just keep an eye on what's moving. First car is a gray car, right? And they're trying to act like, yeah, we're not stalkers. We're just like taking our dog for a walk, right? Yeah, right. First car is a gray car. And you know, I can do this 8,000 times a fucking day. You know, I don't want to fucking do it that much. Normally what happens is there would be a car, gray car coming from this right side street. Gray car, like I fucking said, gray car. There's the first gray car losers that we saw. Let's see what they're all about. I brake for critters. Typical gang stalkers. You see? That's actually beautiful right there. Now, a lot of those cars that were honking and shit were great cars, right? They want so desperately to get our motherfucking attention, it's sick. They must have been fucking dropped on their head as a kid and nobody paid attention to them. Because, so I'm sure you heard all the horns, right? All the horns were coming from gray cars. Probably not a coincidence. Gray car says I approach to my right. Gray car, white car, gray car. I'm doing this more for fun now because I don't even care. I don't even really give a fuck anymore. Huh, buddy? We don't care anymore, huh, buddy? No, we don't care. We don't care anymore, huh, buddy? Oh, best dog in the world. Huh.